Assalamu alaikum, beta. So, this is your English class. I am Shahid sir at your disposal. Yesterday we had started grammar. The first topic of your grammar is the parts of speech. So, in every grammar class, if you start a grammar class anywhere, you will be first taught about the parts of speech. So every speech, as I've already told you, every speech, every sentence, if you talk, if you speak, if you write something, this consists of many kinds of words. Many different kinds of words make that speech. So, which are called parts of speech. They are categorized into 8 types. Probably they are determiners as well, but most of the experts categorize the parts of speech into just 8 categories. So first is the noun, then is verb. I have already told you about the noun and the verb. Noun is the name of anything. It may be a person, it may be an animal, it may be a living or non-living thing. It may be an intangible or an tangible or a tangible thing. It may be an abstract or concrete. It may be physical. It may be conceptual. So I've already told you about that. The name, once you give something a name, anything, a name, it's a noun. So verb, I've already told you, any word that denotes the action or a state, denotes the action or a state in which a work is done, or it denotes the state of something. Today we are going to discuss pronouns. What's a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that's used in place of a noun. So it makes things easier. A word that's used in place of a noun. That can be used instead of a noun. That's a pronoun. For example, we'll first write the definition of the pronoun. A word or a part of speech, a word which can be used in place of a noun. For example, I'll tell an example in Kashmiri. कुन साथ में बताए अमजद छो अक असल लड़का and I'm using the Amjad. I'm taking his name, Amjad. Amjad छो अक असल लड़का. Now, whatever I am going to tell about onwards about Amjad, I need not to name Amjad. I need not to take his name again and again. Amjad छो अक असल लड़का. सु छो एक noble family हुंद. सु छो intelligent. सु छो जान लड़का. तम सुन मोल छो अक doctor. तमिस छो. So तमिस छो, सु छो, that means I'm using these words instead of Amjad. Not us me one Amjad छो अक असल लड़का, Amjad छो असल खानदानुक, Amjad छो, I use Amjad is a good boy. Then onwards I use सु छो असल लड़का, सु छो intelligent, सु छो हमेशा क्लास में सु छो. That means you say सुबुश वना. I'm using this in place of Amjad. I need not to take the name of Amjad anymore. I can use a pronoun. So is a pronoun, and it's used here in place of Amjad. Okay, so that's pronoun. Pronoun is a word that can be used in place of a noun. It replaces a noun on some occasions. We need not to use the noun again and again. We can use a pronoun to replace and denote, actually. It denotes the noun already mentioned, the name of something already mentioned. For example, we can use India is a vast country. India is a vast country. India is a vast country. What is India? India is a noun. Yes. So I'm going to write a composition about India. So here, India is a country, vast country. Now, I may not use India again and again in this compa. I can replace the word India, the noun India, by its pronoun. For example, India is a vast country. It's a diverse country. It is a diverse country. Country. It is the second populous country in the world. It is the second populous country in the world. It, what's it? It denotes India. India एक वास्ट कंट्री है, ये एक डाइवर्स कंट्री है, ये आबादी के लिहाज से दुनिया का दूसरा बड़ा मुल्क है. ये जो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, it is actually a pronoun used instead of India. So what are the commonly used pronouns? I can tell you about the common used pronouns. I'm just a good boy. I, we, you, he, she, they, it, etc. etc. So these are all pronouns. They can be used instead of a noun. Now, second is adjective. What's an adjective? I think adjective will be discussed tomorrow. Adjective is a word that modifies a noun. So I think it will be discussed tomorrow. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. I hope all of you understood.